everyone and assalamu alaikum. I was here with another easy breezy recipe. Today I'm sharing not one but two easy breezy traditional salad recipes. But I have changed them according to my liking. So basically it's my take on famous coleslaw and Mediterranean salad. In both the salads, I have added a few ingredients and minused a few ingredients to suit my palate, and thus created these amazing, scrumptious, you can eat on its own salads. You can have them on their own or pair them with some fried chicken, baked wings, or even fried or baked fish. Start off with coleslaw. My coleslaw is a lot different from the traditional coleslaw. For example, I make it with Greek yogurt and I add pineapples in it too, which obviously is not your traditional coleslaw ingredient. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make my style coleslaw. I use this pre-cut coleslaw bag to make things easy breezy. It already has white cabbage, red cabbage, carrots and beetroot, washed, cut and ready to eat, thus making my work more easier. 1 425-gram can of pineapples cut into pieces, 2 apples, 1 cup mayonnaise and 2 cups of Greek natural yogurt. You will also need honey, salt and pepper according to your taste. Drain the pineapple and place them in a mixing bowl. Now slice and cut the apples in cubes and place them in a bowl too. Open the pack of the coleslaw mix and add it to the salad bowl. Add 2 cups of natural Greek yogurt and 1 cup of mayonnaise and give it a good mix. Now add salt and pepper according to your taste. For sweetness, I like to add honey instead of sugar or any other sweetener. I have added 1/4 cup honey. You can add more or less depending on how sweet you like your coleslaw. The reason I don't add sugar is that when mixed with yogurt, it leaves water and the salad becomes too runny. So quick tip, don't add sugar to your yogurt-based salads. Mix it thoroughly and serve. It tastes best when it's a bit cold. Just remember to add mayo and yogurt right before serving because beetroot and red cabbage might make the salad pink if mixed with yogurt too early. The second one is Mediterranean salad. This salad usually has onions in it, which I omitted because I am not a big fan of onions in leafy salads. You can also make this salad keto friendly just by decreasing the amounts of tomatoes used. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make my style of Mediterranean salad. 2 handfuls of mesclun mix, 12 to 15 olives, half a cucumber, 1 tomato and some lemon juice. Winter cheddar cheese, I think I'm gonna use 1/4 cup, and halloumi. For dressing you'll need salt according to your taste, half teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon mixed Italian herbs, 1/4 cup macadamia oil. I'm using macadamia oil. You can use any oil like olive oil or avocado oil, any oil that tastes good in a salad. Here's how we're going to make my style of Mediterranean salad. First, we are going to grill the halloumi cheese. So cut the halloumi cheese in 1/4-inch strips and place them in a frying pan and lightly grill them until golden. Meanwhile, the halloumi is grilling, chop the veggies. Roughly chop the mesclun mix and put it in a mixing bowl. Now chop the cucumber and tomatoes into small squares and slice the olives like shown over here. Now cut the winter cheddar into small cubes as well and add it to the salad. When halloumi is grilled, cut it into small squares and keep it aside. Now we will make the salad dressing. Take a small container and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and a quarter cup of macadamia oil. Now add 1 teaspoon sesame seed, some black pepper and 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs. Add salt according to your taste and give it a good mix. Once mixed thoroughly, it will look like this. Now pour this flavorsome dressing on top of your salad and give it a good mix. Transfer the salad into a salad bowl and top it with grilled halloumi. It's ready to be served. You can serve both of these salads with chicken tikka nibbles or crispy oven-baked chicken wings. Both of these recipes are coming next week, and I'm also going to show you how to quickly whip a yummy dip and make some egg fried rice. So subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the updates. Hit that like button if you like my version of coleslaw and Mediterranean salad, and comment down below to let me know which one you liked more. Thanks for watching and bye for now.